Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to record a game in your PC or laptop. So I'm just play a Roblox game. So if you want to record your skin using your OBS Studio, but I'm not use any third-party apps, but I'm not use to OBS Studio, apply to another method. So simply you just use your keyboard. So you just use your keyboard, press on to shortcut key Windows plus Shift plus S button, then you get this option. So as you can see, this is a skin record option. Okay, showing it to skin record option, and select the full skin, and now press on to start recording. Okay, now start this game to recording. If you want to post, press on to post recording, or when you complete, press on to save. Select save location. Okay, and now I'm checking. So as you can see, now successfully record this game without any software.